So we're off to get our Friday beers. They're fresh out. We're just off to Tuggerah, Westfield. Obviously we're based on the Central Coast. This is 5 minutes away. They've got a Dan Murphy's there. And it's interesting, we just had someone from, who was a marketing manager at another shopping centre, recommend our services to another company who has 10 locations around Australia, but they've got one at Erina and one at Tuggerah Westfield here as well. And they're in a bit of a scenario where two of their shops aren't performing as well. So it's going to be good. I got a meeting with them next week and I have some really cool ideas. I mean, I think food, fashion, fitness and entertainment in terms of products or experiences perform really well naturally on social media. You know, if you can appeal to people's senses visually, obviously you can't taste anything through the phone, at least not yet. Yeah, anything that's really visually, gets your mouth watering, you know what I mean? Anything like that is just native to social media, I think, and in doing so you can get a better result, right? Because Facebook will charge you not just on what objective that you have or how you're optimizing the campaigns, but also very much the user experience. You know, the click-through rate, the relevancy score. There's quite a few variables that can really dictate the overall performance, not just how well you can optimize it, but you know, how enticing is the content. Can actually have a huge role in the performance. So, and there's a lot of really cool features out, especially at the moment, that will really play to their strengths.